Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 12th. Today we will understand data structure in Python, in which we will understand how to implement stack using algorithmic way. So let's begin student. So here you can see content which are as follow. Step by step algorithm for stack, I meant to say algorithm of stack. Next one thing, animation based stack, okay, whatever the animation, okay, we will see that. And at last, question and answer for the day. Now we have to understand first of all what is algorithm. Actually algorithm is step by step solution of a particular problem, okay. The steps may contain expression, notation, etc. So let's see student, for push operation, okay. Push operation means when we are inserting an element to the stack is known as pushing operation. So let's begin the first step of that. First step says that check if the stack is full, okay. While we are pushing the element, the first step should be to check the stack is full or not, okay. Now next second step will come. It says if the stack is full, produce error and exit. It means to say if stack is full, you can just print the message overflow and you can exit it, okay. Third step, if stack is not full, increment the top to the point next element of space, okay. Same it is explained here. Fourth step, add the data element to the stack location where top is pointing. For example, top is going to be increased by 1, so here top is 1, so element will be also placed in the same place. And at last, the fourth point, I am say last point, fifth point step, return its success, okay. Next one thing, we are understanding the popping operation of the stack. So pop operation means it delete the element from the stacks, which are steps are as follow. First of all, we will check whether the stack is empty or not. Second step, if it is not empty, or if it is empty, then produce error, and in error information you will write underflow, okay. Third step, if stack is not empty, access the element which top is pointing, okay. And step 4, decrease the value top by 1 and return success. So now student, we need to understand its animation format also, okay. In this operation student, we will do some animation effect to understand it well and better. So what we are going to do student, you can see here already here is a stack of 29 element, okay. We can insert at least 30 element with index value like 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on till then 29. So we are going to perform the push and pop operation, okay, using these two buttons, and I will provide here value here, okay. So first value, suppose that 100, so I have just pushed it, okay, so it will be placed in first index, okay. And now second value, that is like 200, so same way 200 contain index number 1. Now 300, pushed it like this 300. Now 400, you can see student 500, I provide here 500. Now you can see top is also going to be increased. Here is top is going to be 5. So how? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many elements are there? 5 elements are there. So top particular variable also considered as seek for seeking purpose, okay. So I'm going to just push it. You can see that LIFO concept is going to be performed by stack. Now 700, I will provide here 700. So you can see here it will come after that 700. Same way 800, 900. Now you can see student top value is also going to be increased, so you can see now 9, okay. Then 1000, that means to say 1000, okay. Now I am going to insert A, and I am going to insert B, because list can accept the multiple type of data type also. So that's why I'm going to give you the multiple variable also. Now you can see C, D, you can see it will be 14 now. Okay, E, like this. Okay student, so till then I'm going to perform only these operation. Now we can see that F, now next one is G, then H, next one element, then K, okay student, now I'm going to delete the one by one element with the help of pop operation. So let's say student, if I'll press pop, so it will release the value K first because it is last one. Same way, next one thing pop, J will remove because according to the LIFO concept. Okay, so one by one I will remove this element which is known as pop in stack. So you can see student, H now removed, and then again I am going to remove the G, and you can see simultaneously top is also going to be decreased by 1. Okay, now next one part, E will erase, I am to say popped. You can see the popped value will print here also, popped D, and top value is 13. Now top value is 12 and C is deleted, popped value is C. Now popped value B and top is 11. Okay, pop value is A, top is 10. Pop value is 1000, top value is 9. Now top is decreasing, element pop is 900. So same way, top is 7 and popped value is 800. Now we can see easily understandable manner how to understand it. I am to say how to know about that. So one by one top is going to be decreased and value also popped from the stacks, which is follow the concept of LIFO, that is last in first out. So now you can see student, now top is 2 because 2 elements are there. Now I think only one element is remaining, that is 100. So now you can see top is going to be erased, I am to say 0, element erased. Now if I am going to top, it will show me the underflow condition. So student, we have understand the elimination, I am to say pop operation through the animation also. After completion of this animation of stack, we will go to the question and practice of the homework student. So now you will have only one question for the day student. Write the algorithm and send me. Okay, where you will send in my email ID. Till then student, thank you and have a nice day.